Transfer WhatsApp from iPhone to Android or Samsung. Just follow these all steps very carefully. First of all, we have to connect our iPhone with our Samsung with this USB cable. So all you have to need, just connect your both device with cable, just like this. And here's another one. I'm just connecting my both phone with this. And now on your Samsung phone, you have to open this app, Smart Switch. If you don't have this Smart Switch app, then go to your Play Store. In Play Store, search for Samsung Smart Switch, and all you have to need, install this official Samsung Smart Switch mobile app. Now on your Samsung phone, just open this Smart Switch app, and here you have to tap on Receive on this device and select a source. Where's your old device? Select iPhone, iPad, and here allow Smart Switch to access iPhone. Tap on OK, and it may take some moments to connect your iPhone and your Samsung. Here we have to deselect all of these options, so tap on deselect, and we have to only select apps. Then scroll down and tap on transfer, and here deselect all and select only WhatsApp Messenger. And now tap on install, and now on your iPhone, open the camera app, and now just go ahead and scan this QR code from your iPhone and open this link, QR code link, and here you have to tap on start and verify your iPhone lock. And here you can see calculating my WhatsApp messages or data. It may take some moments to calculate. I'm going to checking this option, keep screen on, and here you can see my WhatsApp data is now backing up, and it may up to 15 minutes to complete. It depends on your WhatsApp data file size. And here we can see my all data successfully transfers, and now just tap on next. Here import turn off iMessage, just tap on next. All set, tap on done, and now go ahead and just open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Select your language, tap on agree and continue, and now go ahead and just use the same WhatsApp number to sign in. So I'm going to opening my WhatsApp on my iPhone, and here I'm just adding my WhatsApp number, and then tapping on next. So make sure you have entered the exact number which WhatsApp currently you are using on your iPhone. Tap on yes, and you have to verify your phone number, so just go ahead and allow all of these permissions. Once your number is successfully verified, here go ahead and allow all of these permissions, and here you will find this interface, importing chat history. Just tap on start, and all of your chats and WhatsApp data will be imported. Tap on next, write here your name, next, and here I'm going to skip this option, add email, skip, and that's it. Now if I go back to my WhatsApp app on my iPhone, I'm just here tapping on cancel transfer, and now here as you can see I've successfully transferred all of my WhatsApp chats and messages. Now on my other phone I have to I can't use the WhatsApp account because I've successfully transferred my WhatsApp to my Samsung phone. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.